So guys, this was me trying to clear my head as I got a call from my friend to come and unbox the most expensive laptop. You hear me? Expensive laptop. So here, this is me going out of my house, going down to his house, and then boom, I am in his house. No, I'm still in my house. Yeah, at this point I was still in my house. Then boom, I'm in his house. I opened the door to his house, and this is his house. He's a big boy, so I'm walking down to his studio. I'm reaching down to the entrance of his studio. I give him a call actually, and someone called to the door to open door, and this is his friend opening the door for me. I walk in directly to the studio. This entire space is a studio set. Like, who does that? So I was searching for the laptop. Where's the laptop? Where's the laptop? Okay, I didn't see the laptop at the studio desk. Then boom, we started the review, and this is the Lenovo Legion 7 Pro I. Guys, this laptop is a beast. You don't want to see the review, right? So this was me checking the description, the specification. I don't think it's clear here, but let me unbox it. So I opened the laptop here, remove it from the paper that it is, and trying to check. Okay, sorry, this laptop actually was unboxed because I was angry, but I have to come and do my own unboxing. Yeah. So this is the laptop, guys. This is the laptop, guys. So guys, this is me checking the description. So the laptop has 2 TB, 1 TB for the Windows, 1 TB externally inbuilt on the computer, making it 2 TB. So, and as you can see, this is a Core i9. Yeah, this is a Core i9 computer. It comes with 64 gig RAM. Like, we just that 64 gig RAM, guys. It comes with a 64 gig RAM. What? The processor is crazy, and it comes with a 224 gig dedicated graphics memory, which literally make it one of the most powerful GPU produced ever by Nvidia. The 1590, yeah, the 1590 is the most powerful GPU ever produced by Nvidia as of 2026 that I'm reviewing this video. So I was just checking more of the system's information. Here I'm exploring the graphics, the information. If you're watching from your phone, probably you may not be necessarily clear because I did a screen record from the computer. So as you can see, this is what we have so far on the screen. So I haven't ever checked. I said let me open a game to see the performance, and guess what? I was actually recording the screen and testing FC26 on the high ultra resolution. Do you know? And one funny aspect is that the system is on battery, not on power, which means that I'm recording the screen, playing the game on an ultra mode settings while on battery. You know what that means? If you're a gamer, you use gaming PC, you literally know when we talk about that performance. It's crazy, like totally crazy. So this was me trying to log in his account on FC26 to run the performance of FC26. So let's give it a time while it's loud. So guys, this was me testing the gaming experience. Look at the graphics. The graphics is killing, bro. Like, this is a feature. Like, you could imagine The graphics is crazy, the gameplay is amazing. This is something every gamer desire to have. This is every gamer desire, this is every tech pro desire. Having this computer is like having an entire workstation in your hand. Like, this is crazy. So we finished the gaming experience, and I decided to exit the game so that I can set another features like the camera and the rest of it. And believe me guys, it's actually interesting and fascinating. You need to see the camera reaction. The camera is on another level. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. So this was me testing the camera on a normal. So this is the camera without lighting. So if you're a streamer, I think buying this computer even give you an edge. So I was like, okay, the camera is not bad. This is a laptop camera. I said, okay, let me open the window and see the camera on lighting. This is on natural lighting. You could imagine having a studio light on this. You can actually shoot in a 4K video with this, and you don't even need an external camera if you're a live streamer. So if you have the money, getting the 1590 RTX Lenovo Legion Pro I is a big deal. So this was me videoing the entire studio after everything, and guess what guys, this is absolutely wonderful. So if you want me to do a video or review of any gaming computer, please let me know and I will do that. See you on my next video, and if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.